Ever wondered how pro traders decode the 24/7 chaos of the crypto market with near-surgical precision? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of relative strength index, moving average convergence divergence, and order flow, three powerful tools that can completely transform the way you trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. Whether you're a beginner or have been in the game for years, mastering these indicators could be the edge you've been missing. Stay with us to uncover how these strategies work together in real time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss the next big trade. 1. The power of RSI, spotting overbought and oversold zone. The relative strength index, RSI, is like your early warning radar in volatile crypto markets. It helps you detect when an asset is losing momentum or getting too hot to handle. An RSI above 70 often signals an overbought zone where a reversal might be coming. Below 30, you might be looking at an oversold market ready to bounce back. This tool doesn't just tell you when to jump in or out, it gives you the why. RSI also works best in combination with other signals to avoid false alerts. In sideways markets, relative strength index can guide range-bound entries and exits with precision. Crypto moves fast, and relative strength index is one of the best ways to track strength in trends. 2. Understanding MACD, riding the momentum waves. The MACD, moving average convergence divergence, reveals the heartbeat of market momentum. It's built on exponential moving averages that adapt to crypto's rapid pace. When the moving average convergence divergence line crosses above the signal line, it often signals a buying opportunity. A bearish crossover, on the other hand, warns of potential downward pressure. The histogram helps you visualize how strong a trend is, or if it's running out of steam. Moving average convergence divergence shines in trending markets and helps confirm breakout and breakdown moves. This indicator gives clarity in chaos by showing where momentum is headed. Use moving average convergence divergence alongside RSI to filter out weaker setups and stay with stronger trends. 3. Order flow basics, reading the market's true intentions. Order flow shows you what's happening behind the price chart. It tracks buying and selling pressure directly from the order book and tape. This gives a raw look at trader sentiment and institutional activity. When large orders hit the tape, it can signal big players entering or exiting. Order flow can help you avoid fake breakouts driven by retail speculation. It's not about what the price did, it's about what traders are doing now. Using heat maps, you can see liquidity zones where price is likely to react. Order flow works great with support/resistance and breakout strategies. In crypto, where whales often move the market, order flow gives critical insight. 4. Combining RSI and MACD, double confirmation for better trades. While RSI tracks strength and moving average convergence divergence measures momentum, using both is powerful. When relative strength index shows overbought and moving average convergence divergence flashes bearish, the setup is clear. Double confirmation reduces the noise and increases your confidence. In crypto's 24/7 space, this combo keeps you from reacting emotionally. Both tools together help you avoid entering too early or exiting too late. Moving average convergence divergence tells you the trend. Relative strength index shows how strong it really is. When both align, the chances of a profitable move go up significantly. 5. Real-time RSI in a 24/7 market, staying ahead of the curve. Crypto never sleeps, so your indicators must adapt in real time. RSI resets on each candle, giving constant feedback on market strength. In low liquidity hours, relative strength index helps avoid weak setups with poor follow-through. During news events or sudden pumps, relative strength index gives vital caution signals. On shorter time frames, use RSI to scalp reversals in high volatility zones. Pair relative strength index with alerts so you can trade without staring at screens 24/7. Crypto's speed means early signals are gold. RSI gives you those. Monitor RSI divergences across multiple timeframes for powerful insights. 6. MACD in crypto. Why it works so well. Crypto's wild volatility makes moving average convergence divergence incredibly effective. The EMAs in moving average convergence divergence adjust faster than traditional indicators. This responsiveness is crucial when Bitcoin drops 5% in 5 minutes. Moving average convergence divergence helps identify trend changes before they explode or collapse. Crypto often moves in waves. Moving average convergence divergence helps you ride them, not drown in them. It keeps you from panic selling during temporary pullbacks. Moving average convergence divergence works well across all time frames, from 1 minute to weekly charts. It lets you spot accumulation or distribution zones with precision. 7. The truth about order flow in crypto. Order flow exposes the truth that candles often hide. It lets you see where real buying or selling is happening. Whales can't hide their orders. Order flow reveals their footprints. Use it to avoid emotional trades driven by FOMO or fear. Heat maps reveal walls of liquidity that can trap or support price. Order flow works great with scalp trading and short-term reactions. It offers insights that lagging indicators often miss. Trading on Binance, Bybit, or Coinbase, order flow works everywhere. 8. Crypto timeframes and RSI/MACD strategy. Every timeframe in crypto tells a different story. RSI on a 5-minute chart may scream overbought, while the 4H says it's just starting. Moving average convergence divergence on the 1 hour may show a crossover, but the daily might not agree. Using RSI and moving average convergence divergence across multiple timeframes builds a full market picture. It helps you align short-term trades with long-term trends. Entry on the 15 meters and confirmation on the 1H is a great swing strategy. You avoid entering against the dominant trend by sensing timeframes. Lower timeframes give quick scalps, higher ones give conviction. This strategy increases win rates by improving timing. 9. Avoiding false signals, the smart trader's discipline. No indicator is perfect. False signals are part of the game. Learn to wait for confirmation instead of guessing. RSI might hit 80, but if volume's low, it might be a trap. Moving average convergence divergence might cross, but without price follow-through, it's just noise. Use relative strength index and moving average convergence divergence together to verify a real opportunity. Add order flow as your final filter. It confirms intent. Set rules. Wait for confluence before entering any trade. This discipline separates impulsive traders from consistent ones. It's better to miss one setup than enter 3 bad ones. 10. Building a 24/7 crypto trading system with indicators. Now it's time to build your edge for the non-stop crypto world. Combine relative strength index for strength, moving average convergence divergence for momentum, and order flow for intent. Backtest your strategy on different pairs and timeframes. Use alerts, bots, or automation to stay active while you rest. Keep a journal to track wins, losses, and emotional decisions. Sync strategies to daily 4H and 15 meters for multi-angle trades. Practice risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Review market conditions before applying indicators blindly. Keep your system adaptable as markets change behavior often. Thanks for sticking around. Now you know how to unleash the full potential of relative strength index, MACD, and order flow to dominate the fast-moving world of crypto trading. If you found even one tip helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps content like this coming your way. We dive into proven strategies, expert tools, and everything you need to stay one step ahead of the market. And remember, no matter where you're starting from, your trading journey can take you far.